Class 8th, as you all know that your exams are approaching and you must be preparing well for examination. By the time you must have received your syllabus also. In this class, children, I would like to explain you in detail that what you have to attempt in your literature paper as well as in your language paper according to your syllabus. Okay, so let's start with literature. As it is known to you that you have been given 3 chapters, that is Salam Namaste and the game and the last leaf. So first of all, what you should do, okay, if you do not want to learn anything, what you have to do, listen to me very carefully, please read and try to understand each lesson. Go word to word and read it so carefully that every word must be understood well by you. If you will read it thoroughly, you will understand it clearly. If you will understand it clearly, if you will get to know what has been given in the lesson, then you need not to, okay, mug up the things, okay. You can do it yourselves. How? Suppose you are reading one paragraph, try to understand what has been given in that paragraph, okay. Try to make questions out of it, okay. Answer yourself, okay. Read the chapter thoroughly, try to understand its story. What is the story? What is the motto of writing that story? And the story is about whom, okay. Read it completely and then try to do the question answers which are being given at the back. Clear? Try to make your own questions also. After every paragraph, try to ask questions to yourself, okay, and answer it yourself. So in this way you can easily give the answers to any question. And out of all these 3 chapters and 1 poem, whom they brought a warrior dead, that what you have to do, that question answers will come, and short questions, 1 word answers, fill up the blanks which will come in between the chapter. Unless you go through the chapter, you will not come to know what is the answer, what you have the word you will have to write in the blanks. So read it. And then comes who said to whom, okay, and make sentences. You have to write the characteristics of any of the character, main important character of you have to describe its character, their characters also, okay. So everything you have to do it very carefully. Then match the column could come, who said to whom, this type of questions come. And you will be given the sentences from the chapter and you will have to write their lessons name also, okay. Reference to context will come, a word or a sentence from the book will be given to you, and out of those the question answers you will have to attempt, okay. So in this way you will have to do literature part. Means I mean to say that you should go thoroughly, you should read each and every word, okay. And in language, here it has been given that tenses, okay. Tenses, you know, present tense, past tense and future tense. Present divided into 4 parts: simple present, simple present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the same way, other 2 tenses, that is past tense and future tense, they have also been divided into 4 parts in the same way, but the way of using those tenses in different sentences are completely changed. So you should take care of it. Then composition comes. Composition, you should take care of the words, of the sentences, of the language, of you know the when you first of all, when you read any topic, when you are going through any topic, you should have in your mind the idea of what you are going to write in that composition. You should have the subject matter. You should collect in a rough sheet, in a rough paper, in a rough column. You should have an idea. You should collect the subject matter on which you could write about it, okay. So, and letter comes. You know how to write formal letter also, informal letter. These letters you have been doing for many years. from junior classes, so it is known to you how to write formal and informal letters. Clear? Then it comes off direct, indirect. Okay, direct means what and how, when you change into indirect, how you have to do it. Then agreement of verb. Agreement of verb means, suppose that the teacher and the students are in the class, is in the class. Brackets, the option will be given to you, the choice will be given to you, you have to select it, you have to write in the blank. Okay, that is called the agreement of verb. And then that is your picture composition. Very important point, you have to relate there should be a solid connection. There should be a logical connection between the picture and the composition which you are going to write on it. Okay, suppose any garden is given, then you can write what is that, what is it useful for, what it can be used for, what are the benefits of having those gardens, likewise. Okay, so everything you have to write. So all these things you have to take all the things into consideration. Okay, and whenever you attempt any questions related to any literature or language, please note down the correct question number before answering them, and do write the paper in neat and clean handwriting. Clear, children? You can be given the different words in order to make sentences. Okay, so make sentences of your own. Don't try to cheat it from your book. Don't try to make illogical statements or illogical sentences. Your sentences should leave a good impact on others, on the reader. Reader means one who is reading your answers. So you should take care of all those things. Read the question paper well. When you are being given, suppose you have been given a question paper to read, first try to understand what is being given in the question paper. Okay, and according to it you have to start writing your answers. Okay, then in literature portion, whenever you write answer, you should see the word limit. In composition also, in letters also, and while writing the answer, suppose give your answers in 2-3 words, not in 2-3 words, 2-3 sentences. So your answer should be according to your questions. Okay, according to your words limit. Okay, according to the marks also, suppose 4 marks question comes. Okay, and you have written answer in only one sentence or in one word only, in one line only, then you will lose 3 marks, or you will be given only 1 marks out of 4. So it depends on how you attempt the answer. So in conclusion, I would like to tell you that everything which you would do, you should do according to the questions. Okay, which according to the marks, according to the questions. Okay, so I hope that you will take all these things into consideration. You will mind what I am saying to you, I am suggesting to you, and you will score good marks. So all the best for your examination. And still, if you have any problems related to your literature and language syllabus or any topic, you could email me. Okay.